Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Michelle, at mwilkins1120 on Instagram. This is an Instagram collab hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. We're going to get started with some decals using CC and Sissy 34 E-Style plate. And I'm going to be using Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer and a couple of monocle stampers today. We're just going to pop out a couple of these beautiful little butterfly flower images so we can do some advanced stamping. Oh, that turned out so crisp and cool. I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone. And here we go. We're going to get one more of these. Gonna just pop them onto the stampers so we can do some playing. Yay! Very pretty. I'll be using these Maniologies. This one's Blue Clue and Food Fight, Blue Clues and Food Fight, and then Pencils Down, as well as Frigid and Summer Fun, and finally we've got Slam Book. I'm going to use these colors to fill these images in. Some of them I'm not using very much polish, on them, but yeah. We're still going to claim them. And I don't know that all the colors are going to fit on my nails, but we're going to try. Like I said, I always like to fill in all of the image because I never know what part of it I'm going to want to use. And these all that I'm filling in with are from Maniology, and it was their neon stamping collection. And I really like them. They're very opaque. Flip it over, check it out. Looking pretty good. And then I'm doing both of the decals the same colors on the same images and all that today. And I thought about not even filling in the flowers, but I thought, well, why not? So we're going to do the butterflies first and then add the dots on the flowers because they're not going to take very much polish. I am using my Mermaid O brush from What's Up Nails today. But you could do this with a toothpick, or some people are real good at using just the brush from the polish. I am not good at that, so I don't do that. Or you could use the dotting tool, something like that. There we go. Very pretty. So the theme today was just a bright, colorful manicure, and I just decided I would go ahead and use these neon stampings. I think they all look so pretty on the stamper. I am going to brush over these with the clear Wet n Wild polish, just to kind of make them more pliable, make them go, all together when I go to apply them to my nail. I'll be using Great Lakes Lacquer Nashville Shenanigans as my base color today. I already have on my Nailtiques Formula 2. Now look at this. Even just one coat, it is magical looking. Very ethereal. Just, oh, what a princess polish. And I could not wait to get this on my nails. Love it. So here we go. You can see the difference between a second coat and one. Big difference there. Now this polish is a lot more blue in real life. Like a frosty blue with tons of shimmer. But my camera, I guess I got my lighting turned up too high. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down to where I can apply these decals. Without making too big of a mess, I hope. We'll see. And there's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using the Super Dry as my sticky base today. I get this from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to do a very thin coat and immediately, apply the decal. No wait time, no nothing. Just going right in with it. There we go. I'm going to mush it down with my finger. Make it stick. There we go. Tap, tap, tap. I am going to hop in here and start removing the excess with my cuticle tool and break off the piece. Hopefully I can break it off. Piece that I don't want. There we go. Some of it's coming off pretty easy. We're going to get it though. Cleanup is my thing. I'm get my little nippy scissors out here to help me a little bit. We're going to trim this one down a little bit. I wasn't having much luck with the cuticle tool, you know, and that's why I have so many tools around, and you see me do it so many different ways because each time is different. Alright, so we're just going to break out the acetone and my cleanup brush. And this always does the trick. I do go around the edge real good and kind of tap the edge a little bit to make the decal kind of melt into the nail polish that's on my nail. And then we're going to get into this cleaning up of this side over here. Not too bad, not too much cleanup going on. And get that scrapey tool out again, the cuticle tool. See what we can, there we go. There we go, we're getting it now. Awesome. Alright, back to the cleanup brush. And I really enjoyed these. I thought that they turned out really pretty. And I hope that our friend Michelle has a wonderful birthday. I will have a link or links down below for all the other participants over on Instagram if you would like to go check them out. If you're ever interested, you could follow the hashtag. If I have a hashtag listed, you could just click on that and see all the manicures. And here we go. We're going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Ooh, that's so pretty. Yay. And here we go. We're going to top this one with the Posh top coat and finish this one off. There we go. And I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. But I really like this one. I had fun with it. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.